What is going on, guys? Welcome to next week's gold forecast. Before we dive in, if you could please like the video and subscribe to the channel, I would appreciate that a lot. So we're currently on gold on the monthly time frame. Let's see what is going on right now. So obviously we are super bullish on gold on the monthly time frame. We've got the monthly low here, price action low, and the monthly high. So this is currently the monthly bullish. Are we? Impulse leg. So what I want to mark out now is I want to mark out the current, the previous monthly candlestick high and low, because those are our zones of liquidity. So if we mark this low here, there we go, then we mark this high. So from the monthly time frame, there's not really much indication of where price could be going next. We are bullish or bullish. This candle could push up and take this high, but we don't know until we go down the time frames. So what have we got here? Obviously, the weekly is bullish as well. Monthly bullish, weekly bullish. We've got impulse, retracement, impulse here. Retracement again. We've made support look, and then we've got a big bullish candle close last week, which could indicate that, this week we're going to open up and then, continue to these highs here for the price action to continue. So high, high, low, high, 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 low, high. And then, we're going to expect now the weekly to make a new high, high, or at least test, this previous all-time high here. So if we mark out the weekly candlestick high and low, our zones of liquidity, where is my tool gone? There we go. This candle here, current week's liquidity, but tomorrow it'll be previous weeks. This is going to be our weekly trading range. So price is pretty close, actually. Let's see how many pips. It's pretty close, like 200 pips-ish, to the liquidity here. So if we see a push up at the beginning of the week, because ideally what I want to see is price pull down, fill this imbalance in here, lower time frame confirmation, and then we shoot for this high. If we see that, I will be very happy to take that trade, and I'll be expecting this high to get broken. However, if we open up bullish first and we take this, then we could get the pullback here. And then I'll be looking for continuations up. So it all depends how price opens up at the beginning of the week and how it reacts to this previous weekly high here. So if we go down to the daily, obviously daily, daily we're still bullish. Even if we call this, I'm just going low to high here because the price action candles here are a little bit messy. So if we go like this, impulse retracement, really just following the weekly structure there. And if we look here, obviously on the daily time frame, price wicked up, and where have we gone? So this is what I want to see. I want to see price. We have got a level of liquidity here. Look, so if let's mark this out here. We've got a zone here. So price opens up, and we take that previous day's liquidity here, market open. That's my first level I look for buys from, buys up. If that level fails, then I want to see price come down into this zone here, where I will be looking for, buys from this zone here. Like we said on the weekly time frame. This is where I want to see the weekly candle pull into, boom, and then continuations. Oh, up there. Very, very nice. And you can see here, look, like if we're looking at, patterns and stuff, we've got like a potential inverse head and shoulders forming. So, if we pull back somewhere in here, confirmation here, and then we're going to aim for them highs, anticipate them highs are going to get broken, and this previous highs are going to get tested there. This move is going to be, higher probable if we open up bearish first. If we open up bearish first, we pull back here, boom, first zone to look for buys, aim for the highs. If that fails, second zone to look for buys, aim for the highs. That's what we're going to do there. However, if we open up straight bullish, then higher probability we're going to collect some liquidity there, and then we're going to come down and we're going to look for buys here. Lower probable scenario, we're just going to, break straight up and go take out that liquidity there. But it can still happen. So we'll be watching the levels and the candle closes coming into Monday morning. So if we go down to the 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour. Again, so let's it's same thing. We're looking for the same thing. You see, look, we've got resistance, turn to support. The 4 hour. The 4 hour is actually bearish. We're actually bearish in the 4 hour. Look, if you look at here, this is the 4. Are we bearish? Oh no, we're bullish now. Sorry, candle closed. Look below here. So I was looking at this 4 hour high to 4 hour low, but you see, look, we've got candle closes below there. So this made, because that broke structure, this turned this into the 4 hour structure, which the 4 hours now broken structure. So the 4 hours now back bullish, which makes it even better for our buyers going into next week. Monthly bullish, weekly bullish, daily bullish, 4 hour bullish. We want to be looking for buys, pullback buys. That's what we want to be looking for in this situation here. So again, first level we want to look for pullbacks is, I just deleted it there, is here. First zone. A better level to look for buys is this one, because it's right on the 4-hour low, 4-hour demand zone here. If we break through there, boom, we're going to take that up. And that lines up the same look on the daily. Here, look, pull back on the daily. We've got that first level here. Take liquidity, bang up. Don't have enough liquidity from there. We're going to go down, fill this imbalance here, and we'll look to buy up from there. Back to the 4-hour. And that's it. As we've said, lower probable scenario is that we're going to break and retest and just take these highs straight out there. Kind of a middle probable scenario. If we break up first, I just want to see a pullback here. If we see a pullback, then price is going to shoot for this liquidity. If we take that liquidity out first, then we're going to have to wait, for price to pull back here. Could even take a little sell, down to these levels here if we get, A plus confirmation. If not, I am going to be trading retracements. And, wait for buys in here. And as we said again, look, imbalance here. We can wait for price to come down here into this level, bang up, easy. 1 hour. So 1 hour here, same thing. Let's just turn the sessions indicator off. So, if we just go from high to low here, it's same thing. First level, want to look for a buy is somewhere in this zone here. Reaction. We've got a couple of different levels on the 1 hour. Liquidity there, look, previous day's liquidity, so if we take out that liquidity from the previous daily candle, we've got demand zone under here. So on the 1 hour, this could be a nice little zone to look to buy up. If that gets faked, buy up from there. That lines up with this one here, on the higher time frame. We just refined it. We've also got another zone here that we could get a reaction from. Now, if the Asia zone is like here, if the Asia level is sitting here Monday morning, this could be a good zone to take. This one will be invalidated, but this will be a good one to take. So, if we see a break below, bang, up. That's what I'll look for here. Super, super nice. Now, if we break through there, as I say, I'll be looking for buys somewhere in this level here. Nice little imbalance there. But yeah, we'll just take it level by level, guys, going into next week. It's looking nice. We've got price action on our side, 1 hour bullish, 4 hour bullish, daily bullish, weekly bullish, Monday, but all bullish. So we're just going to look for pullbacks and buys. So I'm going to be quite active next week on the trading side. Last week wasn't very active. Just had so much to do in regards to the Discord, the offers, the bots, just building out all new stuff, systemizing things. When you're focusing on, a lot of different things at the same time, it's very difficult to trade because you can't get in flow state on the charts. If you're very busy and you're rushing things, that same behavior will print itself on the charts. You make shitty decisions without realizing because you're rushing, you're not thinking properly. So you need to be in a proper state of mind to be on the charts. If not, that's why I just stay away from them, because chances are you're going to make decisions that are subpar. And I don't want to be making decisions that are subpar. So that's it, guys. Remember, I'm going to show you guys here. We've got the Funded Lab companions. The premise here is to automate the process of manual day trading. So you've got trading robots here that actually use manual trading strategies. They've automated manual trading strategies. This one here, actually, if we go on the charts and we look at the session indicator here, you can go watch the videos on the website, but it trades what I'm looking for here. When I basically explain this Asia range here, this logic, that's what it's trading here. No martingale, no, hedging, one trade, risk managed, and it's a companion. It's exactly what it says on the tin. It's there to be a companion to help you through the process of learning to trade and improving yourself. Funded Lab, obviously the automated process of passing profit and challenges and getting paid out. That's sick. Constantly building that, working on it more and more. You also get the Funded Lab 1.0 in there. You can check all that out on the website as well. Funded Lab Futures. If you want to automate the process of passing futures challenges and getting paid out, you can come check this out here. There's still a 50% discount on there. And also, guys, I'm excited for this. Crypto Lab. Sick. Dexarm bot here. So there's going to be more information coming out on this. Hopefully today, time recording this. If not, it's going to be launched next week. So keep your eyes peeled. If you want to, you can go check information out in here. But if you want to dive in on a discount before it's launched, you can get in there and you can check all information out here, trading profitably, etc., etc. So you can see all the transactions there, just a few screenshots. But when it's live, I will be demoing that as well. So that's it, guys. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday and bosh.